Hey guys, I got like 2 Kinder Eggs today, and I'm gonna open one of them.
Well, before Thanksgiving. I did this one on Black
You have
Friday.
to pull it off
Because there were some
like
special on Black
this.
Friday.
I've never done these before, so.
Oh, there you go. It's splitting.
Oh, yep, it is. The plastic stuff is starting to split. You never brought it down.
I did. No, I did.
I did?
I was doing stuff with the cats.
Alright, Dad, I got it open.
You got it open.
So, let's see, how does this work? It's in half now. Now what?
Then you
Pull off the foil, I think, right
Yep. Yep. And then there's a little spoon thing here. Up at Keystone.
Oh shit, they're too big. They're a small, medium, not an extra small. So these might have to be
Take off
these.
the spoon.
Same size hands.
No, we don't, Paige.
What are these, Dad?
I think they're little nuggets of goodness. You can eat them.
This.
And then there's
When I
this
put 'em
stuff that
on,
you,
I
it's
need
like
the
a cream
extra small.
thing
This
that
is
you
a small,
scoop.
medium. See, the fingers go down about.
Chocolate eggs.
You said if I tried them on, they would be about the same size.
Well, I thought they would. So Mom's fingers were a little bit thicker and a little bit shorter, and you said, oh no, they'll work.
Not there. But it's okay. I just don't know how well it'll. Maybe if I pull them.
Out.
Yeah, they keep going.
Now, should I do the other half? Listen here while I'm opening it.
I think it's probably the same thing.
Was it through a store at Keystone? It says powder.
Yeah, it's the Keystone. It was the Keystone store.
But are they affiliated with like a
don't
lot
think
of them are
so.
affiliated with
Nope, it's the
oh, I can use my cell
it's a
phone.
toy that you get.
Oh,
You always get a toy in these.
what kind of toy did you get?
I don't know, you have to put it together.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, here's a picture of it.
Anything you need out there, should be
Good.
good. You take yesterday's stuff and pile it with it.
So you got to slide that guy down on top of there. Turn him over, I
You
think.
guys
Like
can
that.
I think so. Here, let me see. Oh no, he just goes like that. It's a little
What was
dude.
this one? Oh, this one right there.